I discussed many points not told in front of media, but I cordially requested with folded hand to save democracy, save constitution in Bengal.
বেরিয়ে এসে বলবে বললো তো আরে এই গাড়ি পিছনে কার্পেট পিছনে খালি রাখ জায়গা পিছনে সাইজ করে রাখ
No discussion. Finally, yesterday, when oath-taking ceremony happened, I cordially invited by the Chief Secretary of the state, but I not attended due to my visit in Delhi. Today, I met with His Excellency Honorable Governor as a courtesy meet, as a leader of opposition, representing BJP. I welcome His Excellency in West Bengal, a city of joy, a land of Swami Vivekananda. I discussed many points not told in front of media, but I cordially requested with folded hand to save democracy, save constitution in Bengal. Because the present government, under the leadership of the present Chief Minister, they crossed the all limitation. The Constitution 4 pillars are destroyed by the TMC and Mamata-led government. One lawmakers I suspended 5 times. Approx 12 months I bound to work outside the assembly when session going on, because I suspended by the speaker. Second thing, bureaucracy completely collapsed. Third, judiciary attacked by the ruling party and ruling government. Fourth, media also not functioning and working properly. They are also attacked in every day. Finally, I would like to draw his kind attention regarding the incident of Honorable President in last week in North Bengal, when I will meet again, but I raise my voice also today, that state government violating all protocol, humiliated our President, Honorable Draupadi Murmu. Please take appropriate step. And last, my request to Mr. Governor, in question of the illegal infiltrators, please look into the matter carefully, because it's related to the safety of our nation.
One final last question, sir. Tomorrow, you know that Honorable Prime Minister will be here in state of West Bengal in Kolkata, and tomorrow he will be inaugurating many projects. Sir, there was a letter given to Chief Minister from the central government, but probably she is not attending.
Due to your political mindset, no problem. Tomorrow, more than 5 lakh people will gather in Brigade Parade Ground to hear the speech, valuable speech of our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji.
Today removal of CEC Gyanesh Kumar with 193 MP signature is tabled today. Sir, what's your reaction over this? Because TMC earlier also wants impeachment.
Everybody knows the number. Don't worry, our BJP national spokesman will speak everything.
Shwendu ji, you had a meeting with Amit Shah ji and...
It's our internal meeting. It's our internal meeting, political meeting. I'm not passing any comment in front of media.